Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy FlameAtGames, and today I'm making a video for Beezus 715. Shout out to him. And this isn't gonna be very well edited because I'm on a computer that is not very good. You don't need to pay attention to that. The thing is, the reason why I had that there is because I recorded this one time and I got this far and then I gagged and I had no idea what to do. So we're gonna restart. So, what I start off by doing is you're gonna start off with your screen full, and then what I said was okay, make it smaller, make it a little bit like that, so it'll be full screen. And then I'm gonna add a cool image. He's doing Undertale, so I'm gonna say add this image or something. It doesn't really matter. You can add whatever image you want. Okay, after that, you want to keep it like that, and then you can go to Google and put text text font free or just text, and yeah, it shows all of this. It says text for free online, but you get the point. You have to add text somewhere beside here. You don't have to, but I just think it's super useful. So go on to your picture software, whether it's Fire Alpaca or GIMP or whatever you use, go onto there. And now that I've opened that up, wait for GIMP to open. And once GIMP opens, just be sure you have a good font and you want to use that font. And when it opens, what you basically want to do, as I said, get the font you, okay. So let's just make it create a new one. And it's, like 500 by 750. Actually, that's not gonna be good enough based on the size we got over here, since it's I mean, the size we got over here, you gotta put it right here if you want to. Unless you have a face cam, then you're gonna want to put it right here and put text over here. So today, we're gonna be putting text there, and then create new image. I'm gonna put it 500 by 350. No, okay. Now as you see, I'm gonna add another layer. And you wanna make it so it's an option. You don't wanna lock that, but you don't want it to be visible. You want an invisible background. Color tag is that. There you go. And right here, delete this layer. You don't need it anymore. Then what you want to do, click on text, make it full, and first, now find the text that you want to use. And since this just kind of goes with this chat, I'm just gonna put bold or just say go heavy and put subscribe, or let's do it steps. Step 1, subscribe. So we want to make it step 1, subscribe. Step 2, blah blah blah. Step 3, blah blah blah. So we're gonna put step 1, subscribe. Step 2, like. Step 3, share. Step 4, watch And step 4, repeat. You don't have to put repeat, but I'm just gonna put it that way. And if you want to make it just a little bit cooler, then you can keep it like that, put these 3 there, put those 3 there. And then if you go to one of these, then you should be able to make it centered like that. You want to make it centered like that, otherwise it's not going to look good if it's just to that side or to that side. You don't want that. Okay, now that it's like that, let's export it as put it to my desktop, and I'm gonna call this example, because it's obviously an example. Export. Then add image. Okay. On browse. And on my desktop, it should say example. Use that. Click OK. And most people are gonna have a face cam, so you want to put it either over here or make it smaller and put it over here. I would honestly make it stand out, so I'd put it like right there, and then your face cam would be right there. And this is where it gets a little tricky. If you have this is gonna be a YouTube tutorial, but if you guys stream on Twitch, comment down below that, and I'll do a Twitch tutorial. But okay, you got that down. I'm not gonna be doing a face cam, but basically what you do, go there, video capture device, and then it should be recording from your face cam, and then you're pretty much good unless you want to add something down here. Like, okay, it's from Beezus's channel, so let's go to his channel. Sorry, Beezus is technically stealing your stuff, but I didn't mean it in a harmful way. I'm just doing this for the video, and I'm not actually going to use it. But you can use it if you want. So you want to do this. Right click. Also, guys, go subscribe to Beezus715. He's a pretty good YouTuber. Okay, right click. It seems like I can't save this. So instead, we're going to use his logo. But you get the point. You're going to be using your own. And for that, I'm going to save it. Except I'm going to minimize all of this. Sorry, I have a lot of stuff. Right here. Right click. Save image as B-Man or some tingle man. Hashtag B-Man or some tingle man. Alright, save it. It's going to be saved as a JPEG, but that doesn't really matter. Okay, then go back. Over here. Add another image. It's basically self-explanatory. Browse for it. And then go to desktop or downloads. Go to downloads, go to B-Man or something. Okay, then you do that. Then you do that. And if it's your banner, then make sure you expand it to that size. Or if you want to make it below, or even do this, then you want to put it at the very bottom. I mean, technically the second very bottom. No, not this. Oh goodness me. So for this, what you kind of want to do, if it's a face cam, then put it up here. But if it's a banner, you want to put it down here. I don't have the right stuff, so I'm going to do it like that. Or what you can also do is just like, yeah, that's not gonna work either. I'm sorry. I've been winging this whole video. I'm sorry. Display capture, and then you can, let's say I make it smaller and put it right there. And then even if you want to, you can make it a little bigger. But you just want to make sure it's not covering any of that. So there you go. That is how you set it up. I'm sorry it was so unprofessional, but most of you would get the idea if you use OBS. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. Wait, that's my stop key. Oh, peace. God